Thank you so much for doing this. Guys, I just repaired the boiler for him and he just wants to give me a little review.
Yeah, the service was great. It was nice and quick, efficient on the same day, which is helpful. So now I can shower again, so thank you.
I'm so glad. So thank you very much. That was nice of him. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've got two breakdowns to share with you in this video. Hopefully you'll enjoy them, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first one is a Vokera and is giving a code A01, which is an ignition issue. So let's diagnose this and hopefully repair it. And I'll be sharing that with you in this video. Right, when it's going through ignition process, right, can you hear all this gurgling? Well, that's a clue. So basically all it is condenser water backing up into the heat exchanger. So that's why it's not firing up. Let's sort that out. Easy one. On most boilers, but on these Vokera it's a bit more harder. But anyway, we're going to sort it out. The condenser trap is also clogged up. Now, as you can see, I'm putting some water and it's overflowing from the top. So that's got to be cleaned out too. Right, it's all done. The condenser's cleared out. Now it's time to test it out. Birmingham boiler fix.
Water seems to be the issue, so yeah, it's literally just the hot water isn't working as far as we can see. The heating's fine.
Okay, no.
Well,
I'm fine. Thanks for the offer, buddy. Thank you so much. Right, guys, in this video we got an idealist fit. The customer said the central heating is working fine, but the hot water isn't working. So we're just gonna do the basic checks on it. Resetting gonna help. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I'm gonna check the central heating. Let's just check, make sure it is working, and it's just the hot water side that's faulty only. So the heating's come on, so that's working fine. So right now, I've eliminated 90% of the things on the boiler. It only comes down to the diverter valve or the circuit board and the flow turbine, flow switch. I'm not really considering this PCB board and the diverter valve at the moment, so my gut feeling is just going to the turbine. Common fault. Right, guys, took the old one out. I've got a new turbine. I'm going to be fitting that in, and hopefully it's all going to be working fine. Now, I did test it out. What you got to do is make sure the wires are connected and turn that turbine. The last one, even though I cleaned it out from inside, it wouldn't work. This one, I'm turning it, and it did. The pump started working. The boiler started going through the sequence. So, yeah, that's it. That's the problem, man. Right guys, it's all sorted now. It's all working fine. So if your boiler's broken down, give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix.
Get me in trouble, I'll stay together.
I'll just go on this side then because of like, come here.
I'll take it.
Oh, sorry. Right. Thank you so much for doing this. Guys, I just repaired the boiler for him and he just wants to give me a little review.
Yeah, the service was great. It was nice and quick, efficient on the same day, which is helpful. So now I can shower again, so thank you.
I'm so glad. So thank you very much, that was nice of him.